Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture we will discuss about the development of a cone. So in the previous lecture we have discussed about development of cylinders and development of prisms. So in this lecture we will discuss about the how to draw a development of a cones. So the question given here, a cone of base diameter 50 mm, axis 60 mm and resting on its base on the HP. Okay, I draw the development of its lateral surface. So we know that the development means to unroll or to unfold a object in different way. Like means for cylinder means we need to take its circumference, and now it is a conical surface is there means we need to identify the angle between these two slant edges here. Okay, so for that the cone diameter is given, the circle diameter of the base diameter is given 50 mm. And axis, the height of this cone is given 60 mm, and which is resting on the base on its HP. That means, as you know that this is our vertical plane and this is our horizontal plane, and this one we can take the reference line XY. Okay, so this is vertical plane and this is horizontal plane. Now this cone is, let it think that this is situated on the, this is placed on the HP in this. Now this is the conical object is there. Okay, now the axis on the horizontal plane, that means it is perpendicular to the horizontal plane. So for this cone, first we need to draw the front view and top view. So we need to see that from where we can see the true shape of the object of the cone. That means the circle will be visible from the top view. Okay, so we need to draw the top view first as a circle, then we need to draw the front view from that. Okay, front view you know that it will be looks like a triangle, so and top view will be a circle. After that we need to go for the development of the cone. So let's start in the AutoCAD. I have already opened the AutoCAD software here, so I'll go for the page setup. So for that MB setup I'll click it here, MB setup, paper space no, unit type metric, enter, scale factor 1, and this is 420 and this is 297. So here I have created a drawing sheet for my diagram. Now I have select the line, reference line. I'll just draw one reference line here. As I told you, first we need to draw the top view first. So the top view need to be drawn in this horizontal plane which is below the reference line. So I have selected the circle. So let me select the draw the circle here with a diameter of 50. So I'll take the radius of 25. So this one I can just move it little bit top. Yeah. Now this circle need to be divided into number of parts. Okay. So draw one line here and select this line. Go for array command. Okay. Select the array command. Go for polar array and select the center point of this. Now you can see the circle is divided automatically 6 parts because the default item is given 6. So we can change it to 8 or we can change it to 12. So I will go for let it 8. Okay, 8 is very easy, you can do very fast, or you can go for 12 also. It is our wish. Okay, I will go for 8. Okay, now you can see it is divided into 8 number of parts. Now this is the top view of that object. Now from here we can go, you can go for the top front view. So which is a rectangle. So I'll take this side 50. I'll just draw this line, and here also we need to draw, and from now axis height is, I hope 60 is there. So let's join this and join from here, and yeah. So like this we can complete the object. So this is the front view and top view completed. Okay. Now here the next step is we need to go for the development of the surface. So for that what I'll do here, let me draw the object, the front view and top view with different color and thickness. So I'll change the color, I'll go for the thickness. So you can see now it is changed. Okay, and this is the front view and top view. I have completed here. Okay. So this one center axis line we can give at a dotted line. Then we need to go for the development of the cone. Okay. To draw the development of the cone, that means if I unfold this cone, how it look like. Okay. So one slant will be here, OA point, one slant will be there, OG point in the last. So if I unfold this one, then like it will become from OA to OG, again G to A. That means it will be a complete. This is one side, this is one side when you are seeing from the front view, but when you unfold this one, it will come from A to G point, again G to A point. So that means it will start from the OA and it will end from the end at the OA point. So you can see this is the starting of this and this is the ending of this. Okay, and OG is the middle part is there. Okay, the next thing is, so how to identify this angle of this? So for that one formula is there, theta equal to R by capital R into 360. So this is actually capital R, will think that may be radius, but sometimes it will given L, capital L, that is nothing but the slant length of the object. So what we have drawn here actually, so that slant length is there. So let me give some dimension of the object. Okay, and 50 mm diameter. Now we can go for the linear dimension of this. Select this because that is nothing but the axis height. And next we can go for the slant height, align dimension. Select this point, select this point. You can see what the align dimension is there. Now next we need to go for the text. Select the single line text and go for the which point, A to ABCD point and O dash point here. Okay, so now we can start here. As this is the top view, so we need to just only mark it AB point. Okay, A, B, C, D, and this is E, and this is F, and this is G, this is H point, and this is the center point O. Similarly, this is our A dash point, and here it will be B dash comma H dash. This is as usual normal, we need to give all these points, and here also similar thing C dash comma G dash, and this is our D dash comma here it is F dash is there. Okay, and now at that end this is E dash point. Okay, and in the top we can give here O dash point, and this is the axis reference line X and Y point. So we have completed the text part also. Now the next thing is we need to develop the surface. This one also you can change it as a reference line. Go for the line types and load. Go for the center line. So we select some center line here. Go for OK and OK it. Now select this again. Change this as the center line. Okay. Now the next point is, see here I have measured the slant length height. So 65 is there. Okay, so to identify this theta value, that R by small r by capital R, that is nothing but small, we can write also small r by L into 360. Okay, so that is also there. So small r equal to 25 and slant height we need to measure the distance, that is already 65 we got. And here another one formula is there to identify the R also, slant height code. So that also you can use. Okay, or you can go for this also. Directly you can measure in the AutoCAD, that facility is there, we can measure it. So for that what I'll do, I'll just draw a circle. Okay, and select the point here and just I'll go for it, how much 65 length is there. So I'll go for 65. So 65 means the total, the length should be 65 actually. So let me, no, it is coming more I think. Okay, so what we'll do, let measure this first, the diameter of this. Let measure this diameter. Okay, 130 is coming. So anyway, no issue. So let's take this. Yeah, so now this measure this dimension, how much is there. Let's check it once. This dimension. Okay, alignment. This is need to be taken align dimension. Select the line. Yeah. So now it is correct. No issue. So delete. So this is already 130, 65 gone. Delete it. Now this line, what I'll do, I'll just rotate this. Select the base point. Right click here. Copy. And give an angle of how much is there actually? Let me check it once. Okay, 138. So give an angle of minus 138. Okay, so here I have got this one. So other part I can trim it. Okay, and this one I'll move it to next little bit upper side. I can keep it here also. I can go out little bit up also. Okay, so this is the things we got it for the development of this. Now this arc need to be divided into number of segments. How many number of segments need to divide? This need to be divided into 8 parts. Previously, if you do this circle, if you divide this circle into 12 parts, then here the arc need to be divided into 12 parts. But here I have divided into 8 parts. That's why I have divided this arc into 8 parts. So now we need to join the points from here to we need to join all these divided points. These are all one generators actually called. Okay, and this is the top point, is the apex point. So now similar thing, we just can copy, we can give it here, and these are the points also we need to mark it. ABCD point, we can just okay, we'll mark it in the reference one. We'll give it a capital letter, otherwise we can mark it here. See, these are the points are there, we can mark it in this way. Okay, so that one we'll give it here. A2, let it start from here. A, B, C and D, E, F, G and H. Again A will be there. Okay, so this is the development of that object. So now this one we can highlight it actually, and this arc, go for changing its color, changing its thickness of that. Okay, and this one we just give the angle of that, the angle between these two, that is 130 is there, 138. And anything is there? I hope everything completed. Yeah, so like this we can complete the development of a cone for a given diameter and axis height. So this is one part, and here also the align dimension also you can mark it here from, and this one you can just only give O point also. Nice. Okay, so I hope you understood how to draw the development of a cone. If you are having any kind of doubt regarding this, you can give a comment on the comment box. Thank you all.